Now, India has urged the International Monetary Fund to rethink its decision on lending $1 billion to Pakistan. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that Pakistan will surely use a major proportion that has been lent by the IMF to fund terror infrastructure. Addressing Indian Air Force personnel on Friday at the Bhuj Air Base in Gujarat, Rajnath Singh said that Operation Sindoor was not yet over and that it was merely a trailer.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। जो कुछ भी हुआ है वह सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर मात्र था। अब जब समय आएगा, जब भी सही समय आएगा, तो हम पूरी पिक्चर भी दुनिया को दिखाएंगे।
He condemned the IMF aid to Pakistan and called it an indirect funding of terrorism. He further added that India would ask the international body to rethink its decision and refrain from further assistance to Pakistan.
निश्चित रूप से इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड से आने वाले $1 बिलियन के बड़े हिस्से को टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को फंड करने में इस्तेमाल होगा, ऐसा मेरा मानना है। क्या यह इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड IMF द्वारा, जो कि एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसके द्वारा इनडायरेक्ट फंडिंग इसे नहीं माना जाएगा? भारत यही चाहेगा कि IMF पाकिस्तान को अपनी $1 बिलियन की असिस्टेंस पर वह पुनर्विचार करे और आगे भी किसी भी तरह की सहायता देने से IMF परहेज करे।
Now, Rajnath Singh showed confidence in India's defence system and said that India was not dependent on imported weapons and platforms and had integrated indigenous weapon systems in its defence inventory. The sharp rebuke comes just days after the IMF approved $1.4 billion loan to Pakistan under its climate resilience program and approved the first review of its $7 billion program, freeing about $1 billion in cash. New Delhi and Islamabad agreed to a ceasefire on the 10th of May after days of intense exchanges of fire. India said it struck terror infrastructure sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir in retaliation for attacking and killing 26 civilians in Pahalgam on the 22nd of April. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.